Alright, Joe. I'm not a huge fan of working on the weekends, but I feel terrible. I was supposed to go pick up this gentleman's Defender just one day this week. You know, I wasn't sure when it was going to be, and I never did. So I found out Friday afternoon. I was going to do it Friday night, and I was like, man, I'll just get up early Saturday morning, and I'll go down there and pick it up. It's 24 or 25 Defender Max or Defender Lone Star, I'm not sure. Anyways, brand new unit. Brad's got in it, ate it up. So we're gonna figure out why it's not starting. But first things first, we got to pick it up and bring it back. Now I was able to mount a winch on the trailer with some J-rigged ass stuff. It's just gonna have to work for us. We're gonna do our best. And I got a car battery in the back seat, so I'm gonna take Cummins down here and see if we can get it figured out. All right, so I'm the kind of guy that if I'm coming to get something that doesn't run, I'm going to see why it doesn't run, see if it's something I can fix real quick. Instead of trying to push it or pull it on the trailer, I'd like to just drive it on. Came over here, popped the battery panel off because I noticed that the brake lights are coming on, so the brake switch is working, allowing it to turn over. And I was just going to jump the solenoid, so I pulled the battery cover off and found a problem. It is 8 slam up. I actually spent a lot of time putting underglue on this, and they just destroyed it, dude. This seems to be aftermarket, I'm thinking, but I don't know. I got a pretty good feeling that all this that's wrapped up in here is, no, that's not even connected anymore. All this that's wrapped up in here is our problem. So solenoid's right there. I'm just gonna pull these covers off, see if we can get her jumped off. And as you can see, that worked. So right here, you probably can't see it. I might turn the flash on. Right back here, see those wires right there? Those are actually supposed to go to your solenoid, and that is what's left of them. So we're gonna have to find a way to extend those back out. I'll probably have to pull this battery out and rewire it, but not a big deal. Could have been a lot worse, man. I've seen brand new units just absolutely trashed. In fact, some of them get totaled due to mice. So it could be worse. I'm not super worried about it. I can definitely get that fixed. Now the underglow is gonna be a lot. I don't know if he's gonna want to just get a new kit or if he's just not gonna want to worry about it. I don't know, but we'll find out. We're gonna get this thing loaded up and take him back. All right, we're gonna load up and head back, y'all. Oh gosh, it's crazy how just as clean of a place as that is, you know, he keeps it taken care of. There's not like a bunch of junk in the yard. He uses his machine fairly regularly, and they still ate half the damn wiring out of it. That's wild. But we're done with this. We'll head on back. Something simple like this. Oops. I'll probably have buttoned up pretty fast, and we'll just bring it on back to him. No big deal. All right, y'all have a good day.